Hey guys, the second snowstorm hit last night and it started sleeting first. Well, kind of a mist, and then it started sleeting, and now we've got close to 5 inches of snow, I think. That's what I'm seeing most people measure it at. It looks about that. So I tell you what. So I'm all snug like a bug in a rug, and I'm gonna go get some more firewood. Our shovel was in the barn, so at the same time I was getting wood, I got the shovel and just shoveled the path back to the porch. I do have to get chicken feed out of the trunk, so that's some more hauling I will be doing, but I think chickens have been fed. I gave them some scraps plus a little bit of what was left. They weren't about to come out in this snow, so I say let's go look at the rest of the property. Well, not the rest of the property. That'd be a lot of hiking.